Hello kids, welcome to my channel Wonder Kids. Today we learned 7 days a week.
Sunday clap clap clap, Monday tap tap tap, Tuesday turn around, Wednesday sit right down. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Thursday jump so high, Friday wave goodbye, Saturday spin and smile, every day in a line. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.